Welcome back to Life on the Rock, Niue Island. Jehika right here. Another UMU video today. We're just making a UMU because we have family arriving back from New Zealand today. It's going to be Miriam and Laura and our niece Via. So they'll be coming over to Niue in today's flight. So we're just putting a UMU together. So having a welcoming feed like we normally do. And we're going to pair UMU food with some of the New Zealand food they're going to bring over on the plane. So, yes. Yeah, so we just got here, Bumi got here. And you can see the UMU here is about 30 minutes to an hour away from putting it down. Pretty much not far away from baking a UMU, putting the food in. And here are the taros. These are the taros from Fasai and Lucky's plantation. That's going to go in the UMU today. And you can see over here the kaumatua taking pictures of his own creations.
Man, where have you been, man?
Because he's getting a bit old, you know, so he forgets. So that's why he's taking pictures to remind him.
That's right.
In case of times of Alzheimer's, once that sets in.
And this guy that I'll be
So this is the takihi that he has made. Yeah, look pretty decent. On banana leaf, and he got the baking paper behind it. Me, myself personally, I don't like the paper. I prefer the natural leaves. And over here he's got the taro with the kaluku. He's got that set. Looks like he's got his coconut cream on already, just ready to be wrapped up. And again, as you can see the paper. I don't like the paper, but each to their own, you know. Oh.
just let the guy talk.
He's back, he's back.
Because he's an amateur. He doesn't know how to do all this, and because this is a big pack, this is a catering pack, so I do it this way. When you bring it out of the UMU and you throw it into the bain-marie.
Yeah, that's what he always says.
And that's when it's, that's so easy for him.
Take it out or not,
And
I still not prefer the paper. And
yeah, that's right. He preferred the paper because
I don't prefer the paper.
He
that's
just
what
showed
I said.
up just now for filming.
Yes.
And then he was supposed to come up and light the UMU, but
You know,
because he hasn't passed that part.
When people have to do all
So-
those things
so he
and
doesn't
wrapping
wanna
up the
come
food,
up that early.
it's because they need the practice. But when you advance to the camera level, it's because you already got it done. No need.
He's still playing tourist, that guy.
Yeah. So there he is. Just like the drink for Sunday lunches. He's still practicing, trying to get over the rating that I'll have to give him later on.
He's still talking about the drink, because he knows that I had to revoke his certificate in drink making.
So I think his license last week barely made it. I feel sorry for him.
So now the guy is feeling very bad.
Yeah, so this is where we prep the food to go inside the UMU. See? So a bit of a commotion going over here. They've calmed down a bit now under my supervision. So we have the local chicken over here, ready to be baked in the UMU. Eggs, sinapi and kaluku. This is the holopunu, popular Niuean dish, but this one is like a modified version, mix of sinapi and the kaluku. And we'll see how that will taste. What do you think?
It's usually yummy, it's cooked.
The guy doesn't know the traditional and the new twist, eh?
Yeah, he call it a new twist, but they do this normally when the kaluku is very expensive at the forest. They forget how to pick them.
Hey guys, so me and Mate here are now fufuring maile. I'm not too sure what the English term for maile is, but it's practically like a plant that we can peel the stem off and make it into a very nice pretty necklace.
A Tom? Yeah, Tom. Look at there. I'm going to get to that way. Yeah. Huh?
So now putting down the umu. You can see all the labels are on. It's smart to know what exactly is in those packages because it can be confusing when you open up the umu and you forget what's what. So it's the best way. Write it down.
Film it. Oh.
So if it's leaky, smell the coconut. See, it's steaming. And there's a hole in it.
Yep.
That's why you gotta place them down carefully so they don't get pierced open.
Go give me that fork.
Or even have them in trays like that so at least they contain any juice that leaks out.
Do it for them, Muhammad Matua. Yeah, you can already smell the beautiful coconut.
Yeah. What's on the menu in the umu today, bro? Yeah, secret combinations in the sumu today. Secret combinations.
Hello, Niue. Secret, but you're like,
Yeah, taro,
Niue,
Polpuno.
punto, si.
sausages, local chicken. Here, potatoes.
These are the sweet hoi. Toshi? Hoi!
Yeah, these ones, the hoi here, they're kind of bitter tasting. Ear potatoes, they're a nuisance. There's a couple of varieties. The ones that's got a white flesh. This is the one with the purple flesh, and these are the ones that you can eat. They say the white variety is poisonous. Yes, all covered, ready to roll. Boom. Put some around at the top here, the edge. This side, kabeh hang na. Your tradition.
All to it for that.
Beauty.